Alright guys, we got a pickup video today. We stopped at Millennium after moving some stuff around. Oh, pizza $7.99. You can't beat that, guys. Anyway, so Lauren got a Pokemon tin and some singles. Why don't you show them? And I got another Gundam, a $15 Gundam.
Got a couple singles.
Finish off some deck stuff, right?
Yeah, decks in this collection.
And then these tins, what, there's two in a thing?
Yeah, it's $10. You get a little sticker and like a little art card that has like the Pokemon stats on the tin.
That's cool.
And then you get 2 packs that are smushed.
The goats are who? You gonna open them?
Yeah,
real quick? Might as well find it.
Only 2 packs.
Yeah.
Like
Quick,
open the
quick,
bag.
lickety split. And then we'll eat some pizza. Whoops. Anything good?
Yeah,
Come on. We gotta get one.
that's
good
okay.
go.
I have a lot of. I have most of it. This is just
it'd be rare to get.
I need
something
something
good.
in.
That was weird.
Skyridge.
Oh, that's a
yeah.
good one. Awesome. Yeah, so yeah, we did this today. So that's the boards we still have to process, and we got all these boards. This was from Mom's old deck, her old house or pool and stuff. So we got enough lumber. That's a lot of lumber there, guys. I mean, we filled the whole truck. We got to go through those. We got another. That's the door that's going up there. It's gonna go where that window is. That's where that door is. And we got a new window. This was the window at Mom's house. And we're gonna put that, so these 2 windows here, we're gonna put right in here. And I think my battery's gonna die, so I'll see you when I see you guys. Peace out. So yeah, it'll be cool. You'll see it. I'll see you when I see you. Peace.